Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I am in February. This is my Big Happy Planner vertical style, and it is February 3rd to the February 9th, and I am going to use my Live Love Posh Bright Bloom sticker books, and this is really bright. All these florals are bright in here, and it's been so cloudy that I needed to bring some brightness into my spreads. The weather's been very, very cloudy lately and cold. So look how bright these are, but I think I'm going to bring in this here set, these daisies. So I have these, I have the other pages with elastic around them, so I only have access to these here, what I'm using, which are beautiful. And I'm also going to bring in my girls, and I don't know if I'm going to use them. I want to, because they do have daisies on them, and there's like it's orange on their dress, but like an in-between all these colors, which isn't bad. So that's what I'm going to do. So I don't know, a couple of things I was thinking, maybe I would put some of these flowers like these floral arrangements right through the middle, and then do everything but decorate the other sections. But I think the girls are too big, like if I put florals in there, to go anywhere. So I think what I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to put this long girl in the sidebar, because I really want to bring these girls in, and this sticker was ripping, so let's get this off there, and we'll put her down very carefully. Cute. Okay, and then we'll get rid of this note, because I'm thinking of bringing some of these flowers under her, and then a box. I do need a box on the side. And you know, the yellow is so bright, I don't know if I want to bring the yellow in. I think I may just stick with the orange and green. The yellow boxes are very, very bright. Okay, so look at the washi tape. So I think, how many pages? Okay, so there's these here. I think these are softer. I think I may want to bring these in. And I'm just trying to think, how do I want to bring them? Do I want to bring, this is going to go over, but that's okay. That I don't mind. That looks pretty. And then I'll bring this one here. Or I think I'm going to bring this one because the way the flowers sit. Okay, so let's trim that and trim that. Okay, so, ooh, that's so cute. Let me get my pages in here. Now, usually I go for these corner pieces here, but I don't know that I'm going to do that. Now, how do I want to do this? I do want to get these in here, and maybe with I don't know if I want to bring a long box in here. And they don't have, see, this is what I want, this size box. the normal size. And that's what we have here. So let's get some I think what I'm going to do is, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring this orange and this green. And I think I may want to bring it with this here. So if I bring that there, okay, that's cute. I like that. And I think I want this. Oh, I'm going to do this grouping of daisies. They're going to go right over those boxes. Okay, so that's cool. And then I do have my checklist. Now, do I want to put a checklist in, or do I want to do bullet points? I do like bullet points. And I think what I may do is I think I'm going to put bullet points, but I think I'm going to put green. I think I'm going to put green. One there. One there. And this is a big happy planner, so I'm going to have to put 3 if I could get this off. Okay, so these are only, I think what I'm going to do with this here washi, maybe I'll do this at the end. I'm going to use this strip washi, and I can write right on it. It's very light. I could see it good, but I think for you it's going to be light to see. So let's just get going here. Okay. How am I going to bring these girls in? They're so cute that I'll bring another one here and then the other 2 in there. But I'm thinking I may want to bring this skinny daisy washi just along the bottom. I just saw this, like these patterns in the book here, and I just thought it was so pretty. And I wanted to use it and bring in the girls. So let's just get this down. And we'll get the other strip and just connect it. We'll put this over there for now. Okay. Oh my gosh, my eyes are itchy. Okay, and I think what I'm going to do, oh, I don't even know. Let me see. I'm thinking ahead of myself is what I am doing. And I do want to bring another one of these in. I think I want to bring this bigger one on the bottom. Okay, that looks cute. And I think what I'm going to do here is I want to bring, I do have an appointment. Actually, I have two on a Wednesday. So I'm going to bring, oops, I'm going to bring this one over there, and then we're going to get some oh, that'll be upside down if I do that. So I think I'm going to bring this one here. Right above that. And then I think I'm going to bring some of that washi tape. Not right now, I'm looking for, I think I'm going to put orange bullets. One there. One there. One there. Okay. Okay, let me get something on this page here. Although I do want to bring another one of these girls in, so let's see where. Okay, now this girl has blue on her dress, so I'm going to put this girl there. And I'm going to bring this one. Now she can only go in two places. I'm going to bring her right over there. She looks cute there. And I'm going to see if I have, I think I'm going to bring this strip of washi. Although, let me see if I have, just trying to see if there's like a straight line of flowers maybe. This is really pretty, this cluster, but it's too big. Let's see about this cluster here. Okay, I do like that. I think that's really cute. So let's do something over here. Actually, I want to finish with this here. I want to start with this, I mean. So I'm going to bring this in because I'm going to write in here, oops, the header. This is cute. Okay, so we have that done, and I'm going to put you to the side over there, and I'll figure out what I'm going to do there. But let's get some more boxes in here. This yellow is so bright. And I think I'm going to double box it over here for Saturday and Sunday. And then let's get these pretty cute boxes over here. Oh, I think that's crooked. I know it's crooked. Uh-oh, and it's so sticky. I have to leave it there. And then I have to try to fix that because look at it. Ugh. And I don't have that liquid. To get the sticker off. So it started to rip. So let's just go gently. Oops. There's the rip. Okay, well, we're going to have to take that off. Oh, this is going to be all wrinkly. Oh, wasted sticker. I don't think I can get that back on. Oh, boy. Okay, so let's... Okay, I'm going to go along this side of it because these flowers are going to be... Okay, so there. Now that looks so much better. And then I have these other boxes here that I want to bring in. Or I think I want to bring this box right there, and then I want to bring this here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I want to turn this upside down. I think I only want to go up to there. I don't want to go all the way across. And then let's bring this over here also. Maybe we'll bring this over here on the top. so it's on both sides. Okay, oh, I like that. Very pretty. Maybe I'll bring it. Let's see if it goes all the way across. It does. So I'm going to start at the beginning of the box. It's going to be the length of the box. Okay, now I do want to bring in more of these here. Okay, so I do want to get one of these up here. I should have another straight piece like this. Do I? No. Okay, well, I could use this here. Well, maybe not. I think I'll use this one here. Okay, so I'm going to put this, I'm going to cut this here straight. I love decorating in the big happy planners. In fact, I had ordered a big dashboard happy planner, and I ordered it from it was not Happy Planner, it was from Amazon, and it kept saying that it wasn't shipping. I don't know where it was coming from, but I kept checking it and checking it, and it was weeks. So I ended up, I just canceled the order. I never got it. I don't know where I don't know if it got stuck somewhere. So I only had the big vertical, and I haven't, I do have, I think, I do have a big dashboard that only goes up to July, I think. Because what I did, let me try to see where I'm going to put bullet points. So I have this for the weekend. So I think I'm going to put it down here. Because this is going to be a busy weekend. So I want to make sure what do they say, get my ducks in a row. Just make sure I have everything. And then I think I'll do it up here, and I'll do orange. I know this is a bright sticker book, but this yellow is just, I don't know if you can see how bright it is, but it's, looking at it in person, it is really bright. So much brighter than the green and the orange. Okay, so let's bring this back in over here. I love this washi, using it for a header. And then I'll just write in there what I need to write. Okay, so let's get these guys here. all this white around here is just so annoying. Okay, so I have writing space up there. So this is going to be decorative right there. And let's see. Ooh, I love these boxes here. I'm going to put this box. I know that's a lot of boxes over here. It's so pretty. I feel like a flower child putting these on here. And I think I do want to put these flowers, make sure they're and then I'm going to put, I hope I don't have to go into my bright yellows. I really don't want to. Okay, so I love these flowers. Let's see if I could bring like 2 of these in and go all the way across the bottom. Here's a cute little one. Okay, cool, I like that. Oh my gosh, they're so flowery. Flowery. Okay, now I think we have, yeah, we do have like another half box like that. But I don't know if I want to do that. I think I'm just going to bring in I'm going to end up using all of these florals here. I can even turn this and bring it that way. And then I'm going to bring this one in. So pretty. I am really liking the way this is turning out. Now let's see if I can get a little bit more washi. Now I'm going to leave some of these empties, but I want to look for another fat washi, and they're just more daisies. The brown, I'm going to bring the brown in. So let's bring some of this brown in some of the empty places where it looks like something can go. Ooh, it looks crooked. It's just going down a little bit. Okay, so much better. And I think I may bring it just so I don't want to bring it on the same side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it to the bottom of that. It's not going to run into my writing. Oh, that looks pretty. I think this brown is bringing so much in here, and maybe I'll bring it. Let's see if it'll fit under her dress. If it doesn't, I can just take it off. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if I like that. Let me just move along. I think I don't like it. I think it's too something. So we'll take, oops, how that's ripping. Yeah, I like it better without it. So I think I'm going to bring some right there. And let's see if I can get one right here. Okay, I do like this. I think it turned out really, really pretty. Now, do I need anything else? Am I all finished? I think I want to put like one of those, like one of these little boxes in there. This is really cute. Okay, I think I'm finished. I love this. I love the way it turned out. I think it turned out so pretty. And you know what? I didn't get any girls on there. Oh my gosh. So, this girl here, I wonder if I can just, oh my goodness, I wonder if I can just kind of stick her from the corner of this box right up to there. And then I'll just put, well, I'm going to cut this white off the bottom of her dress. And I'll put her against, so she's going to go like right in the middle of these boxes there. I think that turned out well because I have all this writing to do here. So I wanted to get this other girl in there, but I just don't know where I can stick her. She's pretty though. So, okay, I'm just going to leave it. She can go somewhere next time. I love the way this turned out. My nice bright spread. It really is bright, but not as bright as other stickers or other flowers. That's really pretty. I wonder if I can What if I stuck a yellow one down there just to see if it's really bright? I mean, it really is bright. I don't know if you can see how bright it is, but it doesn't look bad on camera, but it sure is bright. But anyway, I'm going to put it back in here. I'm going to put it over here so at least it won't get stuck on the paper part. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I hope you like this spread as much as I do. I think it's beautiful. So anyway, you have a good rest of your day and we'll talk next time. Bye.